Hello everyone, so here is a problem today, a real quick math problem today. In this video we're going to do a very simple math problem and a lot of students do this common mistake. So here is our problem, a divided by 4 and divided by 2. So as you can see, no huge numbers, only division, which is really great, and only two options. And right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself real quick, and we will check our answer in the end of the video. And I'm going to show you the correct answer here in just 1 minute. Because a lot of students out there like, yes, I can handle it. This is basic division. I learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, which is really great, and I can easily solve it, yeah? So whatever order you select is going to create a different answer, right? So if we're going to divide at first on the right hand side, we will have a different answer. If you're talking about division on the left hand side, all different answer. So I wanted to rewrite this problem. So 8 divided by 4 and divided by 2. So as you can see, one part of student divide at first this right hand side. So if you divide the right hand side, you will have like 8 divided by, you will have like 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. So if you're talking about division on the right hand side, so right hand side, yeah? But another part, if you're talking about division, they go like that. So 8 divided by 4 and divided by 2. If you divide on the left hand side, you will have like a divided by 4 equal to 2, and we will have like in the end 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So as you can see, this is option B, this is option A. But which one is correct answer? Because it looks like division, so let's go from right hand side, from left hand side, and then I show them, okay, PEMDAS order, the main popular order of operations in the world. I put this order right here. So we have parentheses, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we have multiplication and division. And let's look. Multiplication, division, moreover, we don't have multiplication, we have only division, but PEMDAS works from left to right. So let's look at it, where we find it from left to right. In this case, we go from left to right. We scan what is the first sign. Doesn't matter, multiplication, division. We scan from left to right. The first sign is this division, so we need to divide it. And the correct answer is option B. And I hope you understand this explanation. Yeah, so we need to go from left to right. Doesn't matter what do you have, like a long expression like 10 divided by 3 times 2 divided by 4. Doesn't matter. Multiplication division part, yeah, we have this part, and we go. What is the first sign from left to right? Division, yeah? So we need to divide. And you go step by step to find your answer. So this is my explanation about this problem. Definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Right here or an answer. Maybe a lot of students want an answer. So we have 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 equal to 1. 1 is a correct answer to this problem. So here is my explanation. Don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Okay, now if you need to learn basic math, interesting brain test, IQ question, you can easily subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematics adventures. Thank you for your time and have a great day.